What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rushed SRT here. Today I figured it's finally time to learn how to use the launch control in my SRT. Yesterday I did a cruising video, and in that video towards the end, a Porsche GT3 RS launched in front of me. And that thing pretty much hurt my feelings enough for me to want to learn how to use launch control in this car. So that's exactly what we're doing. I've tried to use it before, wasn't very successful, but today I'm determined to get some revenge and to learn how to use launch control in the SRT. So we're going to an area in Mexico where we can test all this out. I'm pretty pumped. I am running the 275s at the moment, but if I get the launch control down, then I want to switch to the 315s and test that out, see how good it is with this car. Your daily dose of tunnel action is coming right up in about a mile, so hang with me. Here we go. First tunnel of the day. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. You guys ready for it? Windows down. Second gear. Let her rip. Woo, baby. Alrighty guys, here we are. We are now in Mexico, ready to do this. To start off, we need to go ahead and go to race options, set our RPM. We're gonna launch at 1750. You go activate launch. Alright, to activate launch control, vehicle must be in drive. So that's, alright, ready to go. The car in drive, seatbelt must be on. You have to press the brake and quickly apply full throttle. Oh my God, it worked. It worked. That is crazy. Never had it work before, but it worked. Let's try that one more time. I'm gonna give it another shot. Let's see how this goes. Once again, I'm going to lower the RPMs this time to 1500, activate launch control, put the car in drive, and I just want it to hold the RPMs for me. Let's see if this will do it. Nope. Once again, launch control. It is not launching. Let's try that one more time. Okay, put in vehicle on drive. To launch, press brake and quickly apply full throttle. Okay, so we're gonna launch, brake. One more time, launch control. Activate launch control. And it is not working out. I think that worked right there. 1, 2, 3, launch control. Check. Come on. Activate launch control. I'm gonna give that a shot one more time. Car's in drive. Okay, activate launch control. Alrighty guys, so I'm going home defeated today because I have tried just about everything to try to get this launch control to work, and it is not working. The car just spins its tires every time. I've tried different RPM ranges. Even at 1500 RPM, which is pretty low, the car will not work. So it says to apply, press the brake and apply full throttle, which I'm doing, and then the car just does that little skid that you saw there, and it's not launching. So I'm not sure if I'm applying the brake wrong, but it is not letting me do it. As you saw there, it's just spinning every single time, and it is super frustrating because I've seen somebody use the launch control before and I know that it can be done correctly, but this car is just not doing it. So I don't know if it's something that I'm causing or what it could be, but if you do know how to launch the car, please let me know in the comments below. Have you been able to get it to work on your car? Because I cannot for the life of me get this thing to work, and I don't know if it's my tires or what it is, but the car just will not launch, won't hold the RPMs for me whatsoever. So you'll see here, launch control is active. To launch, press brake and quickly apply full throttle. So I'm on the brake. Do I use my left foot on the brake? Do I use my right foot on the brake? Because I've been using my left foot, and then I've been holding it a little bit and then just give it a full throttle. It says launch control is enabled, but it won't go. So what a frustrating day. It's totally not working out for me. Whoa guys, all right, so as you saw there, complete and utter failure. I kind of feel down that I couldn't get it to work, but I really did try guys, and that's all I could do. I tried my best, did every possible method I could think of to make this thing work, and it just kept spinning those back tires. It would not hold the RPMs where I was setting them. Even at 1500, 1750, 2000 RPM, it just was not holding the RPMs at all. And pretty sure I had just about used up quite a bit of those tires today because I got frustrated a couple times and I would just let it rip and kind of do like a rolling slip and slide in the SRT. But if you do know how to do a proper launch using the launch control, please let me know in the comments below. Tell me what I was doing wrong. I really appreciate it. I know something is wrong because I've seen people use it before, and I don't know on my car why I cannot get it to work. So if you do know how to do it, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smack a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Rush SRT signing out. Peace.